Hello everyone, it's Eid here. I'm an indie product maker and also a traveler. So today I would like to talk about my recent product, Trip Budget. Trip Budget is travel planning and destination discovery tool. It actually started as bring budget prediction for a new places that I would like to discover, and I added more features with the customer feedbacks, and it came to this very exact point. So what it can do right now, actually, it saves a lot of time of yours during the trip planning and like searching for new possible destinations. Right away, I would like to show it to you how it works. So first, I need to set a destination here, but I would like to leave as anywhere to see the deals actually. So and I need to set my travel style. I can choose any of these, and if I choose budget conscious, actually I can set my exact budget. Let's go with this. So I will put 400 here. I guess this will be enough as I'm from Europe. And I already see some deals, like crafted deals actually, and with the total cost here. Let's go with Amsterdam. So it already brought me to best flight deal. I can right away go to Skyscanner and book it from there. And in the Skyscanner, actually, I can choose any website that I would like to book it from, and I can use my royalty points if I have some. And for the hotels, actually, this is already a filtered version. AI like handle that. Also, Trip Budget has some minimum qualifications for the hotels, and it brings you maximum 3 options per destination, and you're free to choose any of these. And right away, I can go to booking.com and book it there. Again, I can use my royalty program, get my support from them. Nothing related with Trip Budget. Trip Budget is just a finder. And I already have some daily trip plan. This also crafted based on my travel style and like how many people I would like to go with. Also, the date sometimes impacts. And yeah, finally, soon the restaurants feature will be added as well. Like there will be some dining features, dining options here. So yeah, that's all from me. Tripbudget.me. Visit the website and leave some comments under this post, maybe some feedbacks as well. Thank you so much.